In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to set up AT&T Internet Air step by step. No technician, no cables, and no drilling required. What's in the box? You'll typically find AT&T All-Fi Hub, Internet Air Gateway, power adapter, get started card, and setup information. Before you begin, place everything near a window. Placement plays a big role in signal strength and speed. Step 1. Download the AT&T Smart Home Manager app. Search AT&T Smart Home Manager in the App Store or Google Play, or scan the QR code on the box. Open the app and sign in with your AT&T account. If you're new, select Setup Equipment and follow the prompts to register. Step 2. Scan the QR code on the hub. Find the QR code on the base of the All-Fi hub and scan it using the app. This links the hub to your AT&T Internet Air account. If scanning doesn't work, you can manually enter the code from the label on the back. Step 3. Find the best placement. AT&T Internet Air connects wirelessly to nearby AT&T towers. For best performance, place the hub on the top floor if possible. Keep it near a window. Avoid thick walls, large TVs, microwaves, and metal objects. Keep it out of direct sunlight. The app may show a compass tool to help you aim toward the strongest signal. Step 4. Plug in the All-Fi hub. Connect the power cable and plug it into a wall outlet or surge protector. The hub will power on automatically. You'll see the AT&T logo and indicator lights as it boots. Step 5. Check signal quality. The hub will run a signal test. Red light means weak signal. Yellow means good. Green means great. The app also shows expected download and upload speeds. Step 6. Set your Wi-Fi and connect devices. Customize your Wi-Fi name and password, or keep the default. Use Share Wi-Fi in the app or the QR code on the hub to connect devices. When you see a clock on the display, your Internet Air service is fully activated. You're online. The Smart Home Manager app lets you test speeds, manage devices, restart the hub, and troubleshoot anytime. To learn more, check out our full setup guide, link in the description. Already using AT&T Internet Air or planning to try it? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more no-fluff tech setup guides from Tekzoid.